This Habitat for Humanity project is one of several in the community. We're now approaching $600,000 worth of grants, doing similar projects like at the YWCA, the Children's Youth Center, among others. We continue to invest and partner with our communities to be that hometown energy provider, while at the same time helping them help the communities that they're serving day in and day out. The Solar Grant Program provides a way for communities to actually enroll in sustainability programs to participate in this clean energy future. We have over 80,000 customers enrolled to help customers like what's behind me today for the Habitat for Humanity to create programs like this where they can then offset the costs of their own facilities to reinvest back into their community.
I think it's going to be a great benefit for Habitat for Humanity because they can put those expenses that they're paying right now into electricity, back into their community, back into the people here who they serve.
Our newer projects are being built to a higher energy standard than we've built before. As a matter of fact, our Boulevard project in Olympia is going to be built to a passive house standard, which is kind of the pinnacle of energy savings. We're really leaning towards this sustainability, and the more solar we can put on our homes, the more solar that we can put on our buildings, reducing our carbon footprint, saving those energy costs, not only for ourselves, but for our partner families that move in. That makes a huge difference in the long term of them making that house affordable. And I really believe that a reduction in fossil fuels is going to help our future generations by reducing air pollution.